Hello and welcome back. It's Miss Hake and we're going to do some literacy today. This new digraph, OU, the ow sound, is super fun. And it turns out a lot of words have the OU in them. So you're going to create a word splat where you're going to splat tons of words on your paper. But in the middle, it's going to have the digraph, OU. Can you help me out? Ouch. Oh, good one. Ouch. We hear that at the beginning of the word. What about something you sit on? Ouch. Yeah, couch. That one's in the middle of the word. Can you think of another one? Ouch. Don't be a grouch. That one's also in the middle of the word. What else did we hear from that? I've got one. Ouse. Mouse. That's in the middle. Okay. Can you think of another one? What about at the beginning of house? House. House. And that's in the middle as well. One more. Let's use our brains. Ouch, couch, grouch, house, mouse. What else? OU. Let's think. No. Oh, out. Get out. And that's at the beginning. Uh-oh. My dog thought that I was yelling at him. So instead of getting out, he's coming closer. What's up, Blue? Everything's okay. Don't you worry. All right. See if you can make a word splat, and then you can add some pictures. I wonder what you would draw for grouch. Would you draw Oscar the Grouch or the Grinch? He's pretty grouchy too. All right. Have a beautiful time creating your word splat, and I'll see you soon. Bye.